Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool Seat, showing you around the Seat Ibiza SE technology that we have in stock. This car is a 68 plate, it's on just under 23,000 miles. Finished off in metallic black, got your Seat lighting daytime running lights. Got some rose gold wrapped bits on the car, including the front splitter. It's been wrapped with rose gold. This car has literally just come back to us from our paint and body shop clinic in Lancaster called SmartFix. What they did was they painted the fog surround metallic black, as well as the alloys being freshly resprayed to suit the car a bit better. They've done a top quality job on this car, it looks absolutely fantastic. Got your rose gold wing mirrors that are wrapped. Like I said, alloys freshly done, all in fantastic condition. Also got the rear bumper wrapped in rose gold, as well as the roof and the spoiler. Suits the car very nicely, makes it very unique. If you want to stand out a bit from the crowd, this is the perfect car for you. The car's for sale here at Blackpool Seat. We're part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family run group of dealerships. You find other Cox Motor Group owned dealerships all across the northwest, in Kendal, Lancaster, Southport, Wigan, and of course Blackpool. So at the Blackpool site, you've got us just on the corner here. Next door to us, you've got Blackpool Auto Mart. They sell a variety of brands of cars. A few of our part exchanges come in from there. Next door to them, you've got Honda bikes. And across the road, you've got a flagship dealership, which is Blackpool Honda. Over in the distance, you've got the paint and body shop clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So as I said before, all used cars do go through body shop prep, as well as workshop prep. This car has already gone through the body shop. So the previous owner from new decided they wanted to make it a bit unique. We wrapped the roof, the splitter, and the rear bumper in rose gold, as well as the wing mirrors. She also got the alloys sprayed in gold and the fog surround sprayed in gold. However, since we've got it back, we've decided we'll put the wheels black and we'll put the fog surrounds black, give it a bit of a fresher look. Looks absolutely stunning. So it also goes through the workshop to get it SAE approved standard. So that includes a 142 point check, including your brakes and your tyres. So any tyres below 3 mm tread will get replaced with some fresh ones. The car does also come with at least 9 months service and at least 9 months warranty. At least 9 months MOT, as well as 2 years used car warranty. So let's get into the car. I'll show you the boot first. Got plenty of room in the boot. Parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. The seats do also fold, as I'll demonstrate now, in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of extra room in the rear. So with it being the SE technology, you do get cloth interiors. So you've got a two-tone cloth interior. It's grey and black. Got your rise to fixed mounting points in the rear for any child seats. You also do get quite a bit of leg room in the rear for any rear passengers. Stepping into the driver's seat. Cloth interior for the front driver passenger seat as well. You've got a 5-speed manual gearbox with this 1 litre TSI engine. Got your child locks and your auto stop start located to the left of the gear stick. You have your power outlets in the centre console for your media sources. Got your AC dials just above that. And then you've got the infotainment system up here. Quickly talk you through that. It's got all your radio and your media sources on the first 2 options. Satellite navigation. Got all your traffic updates, Bluetooth hands-free audio, all your vehicle data, your driving data, full link with this car, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your mirror link. You can adjust the sound from your speakers, and last of all you do have your infotainment settings located just on the bottom right. Onto the speedometer and the steering wheel. So as you can see, this car is set on 22,903 miles. On the left hand side of the steering wheel you do have all your media buttons, including your voice activated control. That's where you can speak to your infotainment system rather than touch the buttons on the touchscreen while you're on the move. On the left hand side of the steering wheel you have the trip computer buttons located in between the speedometer. Personal preference, what you have displayed here. Most people like to display the driving data, how much range they have, as well as a few other options which you're able to navigate using the OK button. On the right indicator stalk you've got your wipers. On the left indicator stalk you do have your cruise control, indicators and your main beam, full beam. Down to the right hand side of the steering wheel you do have your light style. And on the driver's door card you have electrically adjustable mirrors, electrical windows for the front driver and front passenger window. So that's the interior. Stepping out the car, I'll give you one last look on the wrapped bits of the car. So that is the car. It's available here at Blackpool Seat. If you'd like to know any more information about this car or any finance options available on this car, please contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. We hope to hear from you soon.